and we are heading to immigration.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. After our 4-hour flight from Bangkok, we landed in Denpasar. We grabbed our luggage and made our way to the exit, where we found many taxi drivers asking us if we needed a taxi. Since it was our first day in Bali, we opted for the airport taxi, which cost about 480,000 rupiah, about 20 euros. Other good alternatives are Gojek or Grab, so make sure to check them out. We left the airport during rush hour, so what should have been a 1-hour taxi drive turned into almost 2 hours driving to Ubud. Along the way, we saw many statues, temples, shrines, gates with intricate designs, and traditional kites. These kites are flown during a specific time of the year. Maybe you'll see them while you're here. Also, for anyone coming from the US, EU, and Latam, people drive on the opposite side of the road here. Oh, and be prepared for all the mopeds weaving in and out of traffic. And so, after our almost 2-hour ride to Ubud, we decided to get some sleep so that we could start early the next day. 14 hours later, we went on a quest to explore the city of Ubud. Before we left our Airbnb, we asked our host, Wayan, for the best path to get to the rice terraces in our neighborhood, and he recommended a side path. That ultimately led us to our first rice fields.
It's a big dog.
You have a big stick?
I have some sticks.
Hello?
Never been to a rice field before. It's really, well, calm and peaceful here.
But she still carried a stick to protect herself against stray dogs or monkeys.
Okay, the path turns indeed. Look at over there. This is all we walked.
Really pretty and quiet in the afternoon. And we followed the path to see more rice fields. And even more rice fields. Along with rice thrush and rice hay being burned after the harvest. And as riced out as one might get. We got rice for dinner. Nearly every day